Let's get ready to make the best vegan birthday cake you've ever had. Hi, hello, my name is Britt and I'm the founder behind the Banana Diaries blog. And today we're making an effortlessly vegan yellow cake with a decadent dairy-free chocolate buttercream. Like with all of my recipes, all of the measurements and the written instructions are found down below, linked in the description box. There you'll find the link to the blog post, and if you scroll to the bottom you'll find the recipe card with the exact measurements and instructions for how to make this recipe. But here I'm just whisking together the dry ingredients, and now we're going to cream the vegan butter, which I've softened to room temperature. Here I'm using Flora plant butter. I find that it's a great vegan butter substitute, and it's also nut-free as well. And then we're also going to add in the granulated sugar, and we're just going to whip this on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Sometimes I'll scrape down the bowl, especially to help make sure that everything is incorporated completely. Once you've creamed the vegan butter and sugar, we're going to add in the remaining wet ingredients. So that is our unsweetened applesauce, which is brought to room temperature, along with the vanilla extract. And you can also add in some vegan yellow food coloring here as well, or you can use turmeric like I suggested in the post. If you're worried about the turmeric taste, there isn't any, but you can also use a vegan-friendly liquid yellow color, such as the one by Whole Foods 365 brand. And now we're going to add in about half of our dry mixture along with half of the vegan buttermilk, and then continue whipping on about medium speed. Scrape down the bowl and make sure to also get underneath the batter as well to make sure everything is incorporated. And then we're going to add in the remaining flour and vegan buttermilk. Mix everything on medium speed until it is just combined and there are just no more dry streaks, so we don't want to overmix the batter here. And then we're going to evenly divide our batter amongst 3 cake pans. I'm using 8-inch cake pans, but you can also use 6-inch cake pans. Just make sure that you're accounting for the different bake times between a 6-inch and an 8-inch cake. Once the cakes have baked, we're going to allow them to fully cool, so that means that there's absolutely no warmth to the touch to them. And then we're going to make our dairy-free chocolate buttercream. So here I just creamed together the vegan butter for about 3 minutes, and then I'm adding in coconut sugar, that's my special trick to my dairy-free chocolate buttercream, along with cacao powder and then some powdered sugar as well. And we're just going to whip this until it is nice and creamy. You can also use 2 to 3 tablespoons of dairy-free milk, such as oat milk or coconut milk, to help get this going and making sure that it is nice and fluffy. And now we get to frost our cake. So I'm using about a half a cup of chocolate frosting between each layer. The first layer is really just a crumb coat, and then I'm going to chill the cake for about 20 minutes just to make sure that the frosting sets, and then use the remaining frosting to pipe some decorations on top. And I'm also using my favorite vegan sprinkles, so I purchased the Sweet Polita birthday cake sprinkles. Those are my absolute favorite, and they are vegan friendly, so I was super excited about that. And yeah, then you're ready to serve the cake. It is one of my absolute favorite vegan cake recipes of all time, and it's actually been approved by all of my non-vegan eaters. They say that it's the best cake they've ever had, vegan or not. So grab the full recipe, link down below in the description box, and enjoy!